2025 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.